Welcome to the course on climate change, mitigation and adaptation strategies, a comprehensive academic offering designed to equip you with critical knowledge about climate science, policy frameworks, and solutions for sustainable future. In today's world, climate change is not just an environmental concern, it's socio-economic and policy challenge requiring global collaboration, innovative thinking, and industry-driven solutions. So, this undergraduate level course, offered over 15 weeks with 4 credits, is coordinated by Professor Anshu, professor in the Department of Geography, Kirori Mal College, University of Delhi, Delhi. The content is collaboratively designed and reviewed by a dedicated team of academicians from environmental studies, geography, commerce, and policy sciences. They are affiliated to University of Delhi and Jawaharlal Nehru University, including Professor Pushpender Kumar, Dr. Prafulit Bisht, Dr. Sanjeet Kumar, Mr. Shashank Patel and Mr. Vibhor Poswal as the primary content writer and video presenter, with quality assurance provided by reviewers Professor Kaushal Kumar Sharma, Professor Bashabi Gupta, Dr. Suraj Mal, Dr. Sanjeev Sharma, and Dr. Syed Zheen Alam. Course objectives and description. This course is designed to provide a scientific and policy-driven understanding of climate change, analyze historical trends, vulnerability assessments, and adaptation approaches, examine the global and national climate policy frameworks, including India's National Action Plan on Climate Change (NAPC) and State Action Plans on Climate Change (SAPCCs). Equip learners with industry-relevant skills in climate data interpretation, ESG risk assessment, and sustainable solutions. By integrating science, policy, and real-world applications, this course prepares learners to address the challenges of climate resilience, mitigation, and sustainable development. Course structure and curriculum. The course is systematically designed with 40 modules spread over 15 weeks. Each module is based on 5 key units, covering Unit 1 will be covered in week 1 to 3, understanding climate change definitions, causes, and historical evidence. Unit 2 will be covered in week 4 to 6, climate vulnerabilities, socio-economic and environmental risks. Unit 3 will be covered in week 7 to 9, impact of climate change, physical, ecological, and economic effects. Unit 4 will be covered in week 10 to 13. Global adaptation and mitigation strategies, agreements, policies, and sustainable practices. Unit 5 will be covered in week 14 to 15, India's climate policy evolution, implementation, and future commitments. Each module incorporates 1. Expert-led video lectures, 2. E-text readings and case studies, 3. Self-assessment quizzes and industry applications, 4. Practical simulations and policy analysis workshops. Learners will engage with real-world climate datasets, impact forecasting tools, and interactive assignments to develop applied skills. Prerequisites and learning outcomes. This course is open to all learners who are 12th pass, but prior exposure to geography, environmental sciences, or policy studies will be beneficial. By the end of this course, students will be able to identify key concepts, trends, and causes of climate change, assess vulnerability frameworks and adaptation strategies, analyze and evaluate India's climate policies and global commitments, distinguish between adaptation and mitigation strategies, engage with industry-relevant domains, including renewable energy, urban planning, and sustainability consulting. Draft sustainability and policy reports, analyze data using tools like Excel, Python, and IPCC. Viewers prepare for careers in environmental consulting, ESG analysis, and climate policy. This course nurtures climate policy literacy and prepares learners for roles in climate research, sustainability reporting, ESG consulting, and environmental advocacy. NCRF level and industry linkage. The course aligns with Level 5 of the National Credit Framework, NCRF, making it suitable for undergraduate level learners transitioning into professional or research domains. As this course provides interdisciplinary learning spanning climate science, sustainability, and environmental policy. Importantly, the course maintains strong linkages with industry professionals, urban planners, policymakers, and NGO leaders will find this course valuable in integrating climate solutions within economic and infrastructure frameworks. Topics such as renewable energy transitions, climate finance, and disaster risk mitigation reflect real world industry applications. Industry professionals, NGOs, government agencies, and corporate ESG teams will find this course relevant for 1. Climate data analysis and risk assessment, 2. Sustainability planning and ESG auditing, 3. Policy development and public governance, 4. Carbon management, renewable energy, and NGO activism. Industry standard tools like GHG Protocol, QGIS, LCA tools, and climate modeling platforms are integrated to help you build career ready competencies. This course also introduces learners to tools such as GIS for vulnerability mapping, sustainability audits, and policy research techniques, bridging academic theory with industry practices. Grading scheme and course duration. This 4-credit course follows a continuous assessment model, including weekly quizzes and assignments for module-based learning. Interactive assessments, including case studies and policy analysis. Project-based evaluations focusing on climate solutions. Conclusion: climate change requires informed leadership and collaborative action. Through a structured and engaging curriculum, this course will empower learners to analyze climate trends, assess vulnerabilities, and develop mitigation strategies that align with global and local adaptation needs. By joining this course, you are taking a step toward critical engagement with environmental policies, sustainable solutions, and real world impact. This course gives you the knowledge to understand, the tools to analyze, and the skills to act.